Hey you guys, it's Dean with Continental Beads, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to use SOC1, our string-on clasp, for our 0.7mm beading chain. Alright, so you see here I have our 0.7mm beading chain, CH2350, and our SOC1 string-on clasp, both in antique silver. I'm going to show you how you can thread two pieces of this beading chain through our string-on clasp. So go ahead. And the first one is quite easy. Just go ahead and thread the chain through the string-on clasp. Second tip I have for you is to grab both pieces of chain with your thumb and pull down. So like you're creating pressure, pushing this string-on clasp up so you can create a little bit more room to thread the other side of your chain through. So now take your chain and thread it back through the same hole. It's going to get a little bit snug here, but as you can see, you can push it through. If you have a hard time, you can use your chain nose pliers to pull the chain through or to push the chain through as well. And now you can see here, we have our string-on clasp threaded nicely, snugly onto our beading chain so that it slides up and down. All right, you guys, so that's my tip on how to use CH2350 with our string-on clasp SOC1. Be sure to head over to Continental Bead Suppliers for all your jewelry making needs. My name's Dean. I will see you next time.